Hi, I'm Zach with the Brandenberger Tree Care Professionals. Today we're going to show you how to swap your factory wheel for the reverse S on a 60TX. Some of the tools we'll be using today include a torque spec wrench, pry bar, socket wrench with a 13mm, impact gun.
We'll need a 19mm socket, and for our teeth we will need a 5/8 inch socket.
And then a ratchet strap to hold up the wheel guard. The first thing we'll do is disconnect the battery. We'll remove these two bolts and then this panel should come off. So we're going to install a ratchet strap to the wheel guard so we can hold it up while we work. Now you'll take your 19mm socket and impact gun and remove the 6 bolts that hold on the wheel. With the 6 bolts removed, you'll remove this cover and then the wheel will come off. Now we'll install the reverse S to the cutter wheel hub. With the wheel in place, we're going to put this on the back side and put the bolt through. Now with all 6 bolts in place, we'll torque spec the hub bolts. First we're going to install this bolt to keep the wheel from spinning.
Now that we've torqued our wheel to 106 foot-pounds, we will torque our teeth to 35 foot-pounds. Before we start the machine, we will check the wheel for adequate clearance.
Lastly, we'll reconnect our battery and check the wheel. Now we'll start the machine to make sure that it's running properly. Thanks for watching the installation video of the Greenteeth Reverse S wheel. If you have any questions or you'd like to see more examples or other products, you can visit the website at greenteeth.com. Thanks for watching.